Do you dream of scoring Band 8 in the IELTS speaking test? It's not just about fluent English, it's about strategy. Let me show you how to get there. In this video, I'll share 5 essential tips to help you impress the examiner and achieve that coveted Band 8. Let's get started. Tip 1. Speak naturally, not perfectly. Avoid memorized answers. Examiners can tell. Focus on expressing your ideas clearly, even if you make small mistakes. Example. Instead of saying, I am passionate about playing the piano, try a natural response like, oh, I just love playing the piano. It helps me relax after a busy day. Tip 2. Expand your answers. Don't give one word or short answers. Add details, reasons, or personal examples to make your responses richer. Example. Question. Do you like traveling? Bad answer. Yes, I do. Great answer. Absolutely. Traveling is a way for me to experience new cultures and try local food, something I truly enjoy. Tip 3. Use a range of vocabulary and grammar. Include synonyms, idiomatic expressions, and a mix of simple and complex sentences. Avoid repeating the same words. For example, replace important with essential or crucial. Phrase to practice. One thing that stands out to me is Tip 4. Stay calm under pressure. If you don't understand a question, don't panic. Use phrases like, could you repeat that please? Or, I'm not sure I understood. Tip 5. Practice, record, and review. Record yourself answering common IELTS questions. Listen back to identify areas for improvement in pronunciation, grammar, or fluency. Did you find these tips helpful? Subscribe to IELTS Sphere for more IELTS strategies, and comment below with your biggest challenge in the speaking test. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, stay confident, and you're one step closer to that Band 8. See you in the next video. Bye for now.